Hi everyone, it's me, Pastel, and I'm so excited to draw with you today. Today's lesson, we are drawing this very pretty daisy. So let's get started. I'm going to open my special sketchbook. And let's see, today I think I want to use my blue-green crayon for my flower's petals. And I'll use my dandelion crayon for my flower center. So the first thing I want to do is let's draw a little circle for our flower center. And then we'll take our petal color. For me, that's blue-green, but you use whatever color you like. Then I'm gonna make some curved lines, kind of like little U-shapes that come out from the circle and then come back to meet it again. And we're gonna do that all the way around. And you can draw as many or as few petals as you like. All right, so our flower itself is done, but now it needs a stem. So I'm gonna take my green crayon and I'm gonna draw a line from the bottom of my daisy, and I'm just going to go straight down. Oh, now my flower has a stem. So next, let's give our flower a leaf. So right here from the bottom of my stem, I'm going to make a little curved line up like this, and then another one back down to the bottom to meet it. And then, starting from the center again, I'll make a little curved line in the middle for the vein of our flower's leaf. All right, so our flower is all done. And I think for me, I'm going to draw some little blades of grass to go along with my flower. Just cute little soft spiky shapes. And there we go, there we have it. All right, I had so much fun drawing a daisy with you today, and I hope you did too. Thank you so much for joining me today. And until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere.